Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Look at our oven, the turkey, our centerpiece. Every year we bake a huge turkey, and this is going to be our centerpiece for today's Thanksgiving lunch and dinner. Our turkey has been baked for 4 hours. This is about 18 pounds. And watch the earlier video that was made last year on how I inserted butter. The butter has been melted, added with herbs. So herb bati with coriander leaves and some salt and pepper, and I inserted it into the skin. The marination is very easy, and you just have to bake it in an oven for 4 hours under 375 Fahrenheit. And now you see, it's ready. It's very easy. This recipe is taken from Gordon Ramsay's Turkey Thanksgiving, and I would suggest you make this. It has been one of the Thanksgiving lunch and centerpiece that I make every year after arriving in US. I will highly recommend, especially turkey is a very healthy meat, very lean. The only thing is you need to put the butter just to make it moist. Now it's ready. We're gonna bring it to our table, waiting for the kids and the family to arrive. We're gonna carve it out. Okay. Hi, my name is Sue. Check out the other videos in the channel that will show you all these amazing recipes that you can prepare easily at home. Very efficient, very no mess, no hassle recipe. You can check out the rest that you can see in this channel. Also watch till the end, because at the end we're gonna show you a plate of very amazing vegetables that you can serve together with this turkey. So watch till the end and let me know what in the comment below how you celebrate your Thanksgiving. I would love to find out. Thank you. And also going to show you a very delicious plate of vegetables that I baked like about 1 hour before the turkey is ready. I put in the tray of sweet potatoes, some pineapple slices, which I marinated with olive oil, some salt and pepper, and also some cayenne peppers if you like. Also, I put in some olive oil is the basic, just coated with a little bit of oil, and that plate of vegetables is really delicious as well. I'm going to show you how I did it. So cut out all these sweet potatoes into cubes, some pineapple on the side, olive oil on the top, salt and pepper to season. Massage it a bit. It's okay to use hands because it's faster. And also for the corn, I also put some olive oil, just a coat it, and it will make it delicious. And remember, as the turkey is baking, roasting in the oven, the last 1 hour you can put this on the higher shelf. When it's cooked, you can take it out. Check it after 30 minutes to 45 minutes, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna do it fast. Using hands is faster. No need to use brush. And then, once it's ready, actually my children was already nibbling at it. So you can see it's less corn, less, everything's less. So I'm just gonna dress the centerpiece up with all these vegetables set aside. And please check out the earlier recipe that was baked last year. You will see a step-by-step instruction on how to make this turkey and then bake it in the oven. Make it your yearly Thanksgiving lunch and dinner. Make it special for your family. All right, I'm just gonna make this easy because, well, it's Thanksgiving. I really want to just enjoy and just want to show you what we cook for our lunch and how amazing, and I will just encourage you to do this. If you can't find any turkey, use the same method. Use a chicken or a duck. You can use this. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and happy Thanksgiving again. May this season brings you joy and happy times with your family. So this is Sue and I like sharing recipes. And if you have liked this video, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button to find out more recipes from around the world. Global recipes, gourmet recipes that I will be sharing in this video and this channel. And please like, share and subscribe, and we see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.